Hello, everyone. This is Jen Lee with Jen Lee Law with this week's blog post. And it's called, I have to take out student loans to help my child, or I have to bribe someone. In light of the recent cheating scandal for college admissions that's been widely reported in the last couple of days, I want to twist it a bit to something I hear all the time and also be a bit controversial in the process because I like that. When we're talking about bankruptcy or other financial disaster planning, people are always worried about their credit and if they will still qualify for student loans for their kids. So they're in the middle of a financial disaster, and their big concern is, can I still get more loans for my kids to go to college? Honestly, not qualifying for student loans for someone else's education is a total blessing in disguise. I'm a huge proponent of not taking Parent Plus loans and not co-signing student loans for someone who's not yourself. I cannot tell you how many clients I have in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and even 80s who are trying to deal with student loan issues. Can you imagine retiring and still having student loan issues, including having your Social Security garnished at 15% for federal loans that are in default? So, what will happen if your adult child, can't afford to go to a $60,000 a year university on their own? What's going to happen? Well, first of all, $60,000 a year universities will have to adapt to people choosing less expensive avenues. The huge inflation in college education costs comes from easy money that conveniently can't be discharged in bankruptcy, and from everyone thinking that they have to go to the highest ranked college to get a decent job. So in the scandal, one of the celebrities caught up in the cheating scandal has a daughter who has publicly announced that she does not want to be in college at all and is more interested in YouTube. Do you know how much money can be made if you have something that other people are interested in? There is a 7-year-old kid making more than $20 million a year doing toy reviews on YouTube. Not that I'm encouraging everyone to go out and be a YouTube sensation, but parents put so much pressure on the traditional college path that they totally miss out on the creativity and innovative ideas that kids and young adults have. And part of that pressure is trying to pay for really expensive college educations that are mostly unnecessary. As an employer myself, I don't actually care if someone has a degree. I care about their abilities, their drive, their experience, what they bring to the table, and if they can be trained. There are a lot of big companies out there that are missing out on the next generation of innovators because they won't hire someone who doesn't have the right degree. Ask me how I know. I did my bachelor's and master's degrees online, back before online was a thing. It was really correspondence school at the time. I'm pretty much blacklisted from some companies as soon as I list those degrees on my resume. Their loss. Please do not take out student loans for your kids. Please encourage them to find out what they are good at, even if it's something you don't understand, like YouTube. Oh, and please don't bribe people so that your kids get higher test scores. I kind of feel that I shouldn't have to say that, but apparently it's a thing. Thanks. I'm Jen Lee with Jen Lee Law.